AgentWP AI was just released, and here are 7 crucial things you need to know before trying it, especially if you're even thinking about using AI to build websites or automate your agency workflow. And trust me, what I found out by testing it might surprise you. You can try AgentWP AI completely free from the first link in the description, but don't skip ahead. What I'm about to share could save you hours of trial and error. Now, first off, yes, AgentWP is legit AI software. It's built specifically for WordPress users and agency owners who want to automate client-side creation, write content, and even generate full funnels with almost no manual input. This isn't one of those generic AI tools that give you bland blog posts and hope for the best. It's smart enough to build done-for-you WordPress sites, complete with niche-relevant images, text, and even SEO optimization, all tailored to the client or business type you give it. Second, the onboarding is surprisingly fast. You don't need to install anything manually or mess with DNS or hosting settings. Once you're in, you can generate an entire website by just entering the niche or client details. It's clean, simple, and intuitive, which is not something I say often when it comes to AI tools that work with WordPress. Third, AgentWP AI doesn't just build a homepage. It can generate multiple pages, like services, about, contact, even legal pages, with layout and content that actually makes sense. You can edit it afterward, but honestly, most of it looks good right out of the gate. Fourth, what makes it stand out is that it's not just for agencies. If you're a freelancer or even a solo entrepreneur launching niche sites, AgentWP can cut your production time in half. You won't need to rely on expensive designers or content writers for basic client setups anymore. Fifth, the AI it uses for content is surprisingly good. It doesn't sound robotic, and it integrates key phrases naturally. That's a big deal if you're selling services or trying to rank local client sites. I've tested a lot of AI tools that just spin garbage. AgentWP AI is noticeably better. Sixth, there's built-in lead capture, forms, and call to action blocks, which means your sites don't just look good, they're actually built to convert. That's a huge plus if your clients care about results, not just looks. And let's be honest, clients do care about leads more than pixels. And finally, AgentWP AI is still new, which means right now it's fast, responsive, and not overloaded with users. But I don't expect that to last. If you're thinking of using this for your agency or side hustle, this is the time to jump in while it's still fresh and likely underpriced. You can try AgentWP AI completely free from the first link in the description. And if you're still deciding, I've also included my list of the best AI tools I've personally tested out of thousands, and they're all free to try as well. Just scroll down and explore. Let me know in the comments what kind of websites or clients you're planning to use AgentWP for. I'd love to hear what niches you're working in.